In this video, you'll learn how to find medical articles in PubMed. PubMed is a database provided by the National Library of Medicine and is one of the best places to find articles about health and medicine. While you can find PubMed on Google, you'll have greater access to articles through the library. Let me show you how. First, head to the library website, then select Databases. Once you're in the databases, type PubMed into the search box. Then, choose PubMed. Now we're on the PubMed homepage where you'll type in your keywords. Let's search for articles about heart attacks. Our search found almost 300,000 search results. That's a lot of information. Luckily, we can use limiters and add additional keywords to reduce that to a more manageable number. First, we'll add additional keywords to our search. Let's say we are interested in learning more about risk factors for heart attacks. We'll type in risk factors and add a capitalized "and" between the phrases to ensure both appear in our search results. Then, to find more recent information, we'll limit our search to articles published since 2020 under results by year. Now, we've narrowed our search results to a more manageable number. To read an article, we'll select the title. Let's take a closer look at the article Risk Factors for Type 1 and Type 2 Myocardial Infarction. Start by reading the abstract section, which offers a short summary of the article. Taking this step helps you quickly understand the content before reading the full article, making you more efficient with your research. If you find the article relevant to your topic and want to read it, select one of the options under Full Text Links. This will take you to a page where you can read the article in your browser or download a PDF version. If you only see a yellow Find It button under Full Text Links, it typically means you don't have immediate access to the article and will need to submit a request for it. If you need help requesting an article, contact the library. You may notice the article refers to a heart attack as a myocardial infarction. Researchers use different terms for the same concept, and medical subject headings, also called mesh headings, group those terms into a single preferred term, which makes finding related articles easier. Let's check out the mesh headings for this article. If you select any of these mesh terms, it'll help you find articles about the same topic. Some terms have an asterisk, indicating it's a major topic for the article. This means that the content mainly covers coronary artery disease, diabetes mellitus, type 2, and myocardial infarction complications and etiology. You can also find mesh headings in the PubMed Mesh database. On the PubMed homepage, select Mesh Database under Explore. Then type in your terms. Let's search for breast cancer. In the search results, we see the mesh term for breast cancer is breast neoplasms. On the breast neoplasms page, we can add the mesh heading to our search by selecting Add to Search Builder. By searching for additional terms, we can add additional mesh headings to our search. For example, let's search for genetic screening. We now see the mesh term for genetic screening is genetic testing, which we can also add to our search by selecting Add to Search Builder. Once you have compiled your mesh terms, select Search PubMed. Now our search results will only include articles tagged with our two mesh terms. You can also find mesh headings for name brand products in the database. For example, if you search Tylenol, you'll find the mesh heading acetaminophen. So now you've created a search strategy like a research pro using mesh terms and have found an article you want to use for your assignment. Now it's time to talk about citations. Select the Cite button and select the citation style required by your assignment. A word of caution. These citations are computer-generated and are usually incomplete, so make sure you check them against your style guide for accuracy. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to find medical articles using mesh terms in PubMed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, reach out to the library at library@uni.edu.